Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, I will help you to understand the danger of pop-up ads that are related to the website Greenlight-n1.club. Greenlight-n1.club. So what you see is a deceptive website that may periodically attack your browser. The reason why these pop-ups attack the browser is because the computer in general may be infected by some adware type application, or the browser may be infected by some intrusive ads that may be displayed as random web push notifications in the right bottom section of the screen. Some of these ads are not really decent. In fact, some of them are extremely malicious. They may display really filthy content, not suitable for some categories of people, and sometimes they may display scary and frustrating and very misleading information. If you click on these ads by mistake, you may be brought to such deceptive resources like this one. Greenlight-n1.club tells that your computer might be susceptible to viruses and malware. There may be some other versions of these pop-ups in French language, but they all try to make you download and install some software. If you click on this subscribe now button, however, you will be forwarded to some other totally different website, not the one that is initially we were talking about, and the software promoted in such additional websites may also be different. So there is something really misleading about all these pop-ups, and you should not trust their misleading content. Now, I recommend you to carefully research your browser and your computer in general. Go to the control panel and uninstall any suspicious programs that might be causing such troubles. If you find any software you don't remember installing personally, uninstall it. Also, check your browser by going to the menu, More Tools, and then click on Extensions. And disable and delete any third-party extensions which could be causing such pop-ups. Finally, I recommend you to research the system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So, download the application, install it, and it will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experience with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threads button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.